My son Tom and I set out paddling along the coast. We came across a vast horde of pelagic jellyfish, salps and siphonophores that a current had brought in from the deep ocean to the forest. Tom shouted to me and pointed down into the sea forest, his sharp eyes seeing a creature that looked like it had come from another dimension. It was about 1 foot long, transparent cylindrical body with a mermaid's tail and an elephant-like trunk and a single waving gelatinous fin. The fast-swimming creature and filming from the kayak made it difficult to get a clear image of this mystery creature. I sent the images to my marine mentor, Professor Charles Griffiths, who identified it as a sea elephant or heteropod. This animal was a great addition to our 1001 Seaforest Species project, but we didn't have a clear still image, so Dr. Janis Landskov worked for several months with artist and biologist Nick Bezier to create an artwork from my video images to bring this animal to life. This species is a very unusual mollusk, a snail that has abandoned life on the ocean floor and modified its foot into a transparent fin for propulsion. It actively hunts small creatures and sucks them into its trunk, which is tipped with small sickle-shaped teeth. It uses its sophisticated eyes to locate prey. The whole creature is designed to be almost transparent and invisible to predators. The strange red fish-like structure in its body is actually its organs, which have been compressed to minimal size for invisibility. Its mermaid-like tail is used for bursts of speed when hunting or fleeing. Evolution has shaped the humble sea snail, removed its shell, and created this transparent, predatory, fast-swimming, clear-seeing, sickle-toothed super snail. These could be the first images of a sea elephant in southern Africa. It may even be a new species of heteropod. Seeing a creature so strange and interesting motivates us to keep diving every day to uncover more of the secrets of those who enter the sea forest.